Hello, dear. If you are working on a road project, overhead transmission line project, infrastructure project, building, substation, any project, and you are using MicroStation software, then I'm going to share with you 4 points, which are easy, very easy points, but that are very important points. Okay. See, these are 4 points. One by one, I will explain you in this system. When we are working in MicroStation or in AutoCAD, we work in layer or levels. Yes, in AutoCAD we say layers, and in MicroStation we say level. Story is same. So the first point which I want to discuss with you, that is, you are working with proper levels, but you want to change one color of any entity, any line, any object, any text. You want to change its color by force. What I mean by force, you don't want to change that layer color from level manager. You don't want to change that level color from level manager, because if you will change from level manager, all that entities which you have created, you have drawn in that level, that colors will get changed. You want to change any specific one or two objects. Okay, how to do this one? This is very easy. This is our first point. One by one, I will discuss other points with you also, and I will explain you. The first thing is, click on that object. For example, this is our road edge, as you can see, or this is our substation building, or our networks. Okay, water network or storm or sewer, whatever. Click on that object, and over here, as you can see, these are colors available with us right now. Okay, many colors are there. What you can do, you just change your color from here. Click on that color and click outside. So see here, right now that color has been changed. But now if you will go in your level manager and you will change your road edge color from there, from level manager, this color of road edge will remain yellow. Why? Because this color you have changed by force actually. Okay, so it means this is by forced color. So this is basically one disadvantage. You should always work in proper, colors by levels, color by layers. That's the perfect way. For the sake of that argument of our point, actually, if we want to change how to do this, so simply click on that color, click on that object. From here, choose color, which whatever color you want to choose. Okay, so see here, but normally we should be always by level. Our color has to be by level. Why? When you will change your color from your level manager, all this will impact on all objects in your whole project. Okay, now I will go to the second point. Why text annotation is hollow instead of solid? What I mean from this one, I will zoom one portion and then I will show you. Let me zoom this small portion, this substation building. Okay, right now you can see 132 kV substation text. Text is very nice. Okay, but then what is hollow text? Go on settings and view attributes. Click on this one. So here, as you can see in this window, in your case, if this fill is unchecked, so this is how your text will look like. And if you are facing such problem, this is very easy. Just go in setting, view attributes, and just pick this one, fill. That's it. So this was our second point. Third point, level manager and levels explanation. Okay, I will give you a bit explanation. Okay, spellings are wrong over here of the explanation. Okay, don't worry about this one. Okay, what are levels, what are level managers, how to create? If you know this one, skip this portion of the video. Okay, you can go for the fourth point, but let me show you from where you can go in your level manager. For me, like me, if you want to assign your shortcut keys like function 1 button, function 2, function 7, okay, these buttons, you click on that button. Okay, if you have defined this one, if you have not defined any shortcut key, so what you can do, go in settings, levels, and level manager. That's it. See, you are here, but in my case I have all my shortcut keys in my right hand. Okay, I will click this button and this window will come and I will say level manager. Okay, you can also create. Okay, now in this window, right now I have created some levels. Substation, road edge 132 kV project, storm, sewer, lane marking, yellow line. So these are our different levels. How to create? one new level if you want to. See here on your left hand side on this one, new level. Click on this one. Just name it. For example, I will say, I will put my name, okay? Iram Hameed Rathar. This is my name. And now what I want to do, I want to change its color. Easy. See in front of color, just click here and whatever color you want to select, choose from here. Okay, I will say 30 number color. Okay, just click here and now your colors is changed. If you want to change your line style, continuous, dotted, dash, whatever, just simply click here and choose your line style. Okay, I will say this style. Good. Now thickness, line thickness, line weight. I will click on this one and I will choose from here and number. Okay, thick line. Okay, so now again, this, as you can see, global display. What is global display? If you uncheck this one by clicking on this one, all that entities, all that objects which were prepared under that layer, that are going to be turned off. Simple, turn on, turn off from here, from level manager. Okay, so now if you want to make your this layer as a current layer, double click this one. If you will double click this one, it will be your current layer. Okay, just double click or right click on this one. You can choose from here also, and if you don't want to select from here, simply click here and you can choose. Before working, you can make this layer as a current layer also. When I will choose, and whenever I will change my layer from here, if observe this color and line style from here, and these, all these parameters, all these properties, if I will go in annotation, see, everything is going to be changed that are associated to that layer. Now I will say, okay, go in Iram Hamid layer. Color is changed, line style is changed, thickness is changed. Okay. Now let us draw a very small line. Okay, I will click on this one click and second click. See, so we are having our line, okay, with us. So now let me do zoom fit. Okay, zoom fit. So now what is our last point? Our last point is we want to turn on, turn off our levels. Turn on, turn off. How to do this one? Very easy. What you have to do, see here, as you can see here, this is shortcut. If you don't have these tools with you, so from here you can go setting, okay, level, display. So this window is in front of you. But if you have these tools with you, click on this one. So now you can see all these levels are black, are selected. Okay, yes. So that's why you are able to see all that entities, all that objects which are prepared or drawn under that objects. If you anything you want to turn off, for example, in our project we have some yellow lines, as you can see over here, yellow lines. I don't want to see that yellow line. Just click on that one, just one click. This is yellow line, click it. So from here it's white. White means unselected. So if it is unselected from here, from your project, that is turn off. So this is a turn on, turn off in MicroStation. So now I will say I don't want to see this substation building. I don't want to see. Okay, so I will click on that substation building once. That's on. Okay, so this is turn on, turn off. This is how we work in MicroStation. So wish you guys great practice. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will try my best to answer.